Alright, so it should be recording right now. Is it? Do you think it's recording now? Because it has this on, right?
Yeah.
Does that mean it's recording?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so the jimu app is downloading. And I'm hoping it should be able to tell us what to do and how to build your new robot.
Thank you. And hopefully it also teaches us how to
How do what?
on how to control
The robot?
the
Yeah,
robot.
I think it should have that
And
information
maybe it
too.
also can control the robot using the thing, you know.